Ctrl plus A, select all items in a window or document. Ctrl plus B, bold selected text in a document. Ctrl plus C, copy selected items to the clipboard. Ctrl plus D, show the desktop or minimize all windows. Ctrl plus E, open File Explorer, Windows, or Finder, macOS. Ctrl plus F, find/search for a word or phrase in a document or web page. Ctrl plus G, find next occurrence in a document or web page. Ctrl plus H, replace text in a document. Ctrl plus I, italicize selected text in a document. Ctrl plus J, justify text in a document. Ctrl plus K, create a hyperlink in a document or web page. Ctrl plus L, left align text in a document. Ctrl plus M, minimize a window. Ctrl plus N, create a new document or open a new window. Ctrl plus O, open a file or document. Ctrl plus P, print the current document. Ctrl plus Q, quit, close the current program. Ctrl plus R, refresh a web page or file list. Ctrl plus S, save the current document. Ctrl plus T, open a new tab in a web browser. Ctrl plus U, underline selected text in a document. Ctrl plus V, paste content from the clipboard. Ctrl plus W, close the current window or tab. Ctrl plus X, cut selected items to the clipboard. Ctrl plus Y, redo the last action. Ctrl plus Z, undo the last action.